Hi friends, I just got my new Morton water softener cleaner. We have a Morton water softener since a long time ago, and it's great. It delivers really soft water to your home. That's great, but you need to clean it. And this cleanser is especially designed to help you take care of you, to help you maintain your softener. So it will last longer and it will deliver a better water quality to your home. So let's put it in my cleaner, in my softener. Great. So friends, we're going to put the softener cleanser in our softener. You open it and here it goes, okay? The cleanser goes here. Let's put it, everything in one. Okay. Perfect. We're gonna cover it. Perfect. We have to do a full cycle. So it's going to do a full recharge and cleaning cycle. And perfect. We're taking care of our softener with the proper. We are taking care of our softener with the Morton softener cleanser. It's working already.